Just like, will you pay me? What the hell is that?
This ain't open yet, though. I'm standing right here. It's like, you know, that's open.
What is that? What the heck? The camera.
Oh, wow. Remember in England we had that pen cam?
That's Gigi right there.
Where? Oh.
I'm like, am I in the right place?
So.
He's like, I'm like, no, it starts at 12. I can't be the first one here.
Yeah.
Oh, no. That always happens to me. I'm serious. I am always on. I'm always early. That's what it is.
Yeah, well, it better be early.
Because you know why? Because you never know what traffic's going to do. And I live in Dumfries. So I had to hike it up here.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, if my GPS says it's going to take me 50 minutes, I better give myself an hour and a half. Just in case.
Oh, that's right. Oh, they didn't do our menus right, though.
Why?
It's supposed to have dog on our names and stuff on there. Alright. Strike one.
Are you Darren's wife?
No.
No, that's my wife.
Oh,
Hi.
okay. Oh, you're somebody's wife. I was just going to introduce myself. Hi, I'm Gigi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I met you. I met him too. Didn't you tell me y'all used to live at Belmont Bay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've been over there like every day looking for a condo to move over there.
It's a nice area.
You think so?
Yeah.
Really?
It is. Mm-hmm.
Okay. People don't move there just wait to die.
No. They have a little bit of everything there.
Really?
This is pretty cool.
What about
See that? You know, last year over there.
Oh, on that side?
I could have brought the doggone framework in here. Okay, go ahead. Hey, how's it going? Okay.
Okay, so let's get on that. I just don't understand what is going on with the black. I don't get it.
That's been the same since we were there.
I know. I used to go to Osprey's when I was older. Beautiful, but food was good. And then we walked back, and then it seemed like yeah.
Oh, yeah. You see while we were driving. That's the place that I went to go look at.
Uh-oh.
Wasn't me.
I guess these are real diamonds. I wasn't sure. I'm so sorry.
They had a. The goal was to design it. Oh, the design thing, but it's not really.
Is that building? Yeah. I didn't know what that was.
Yeah. It's a cool design.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, that's crazy. I just don't understand. It's a beautiful place. To develop, but I'm like, what's the problem? Like, who's the developer? Or is there now fighting with the ancient way? Oh, you can look it up. There's a lot of stuff on it. I thought I would get that. I did. Okay. Right. Yeah.
It's a nice area.
Yeah, it's the only place I can find that I can probably down. I want the fitness in the room, and the building, and everything kind of co-located. I was like, we're not just finding these things. Okay. Because those, I had no idea they were all so different. The floor plans are. I didn't know that. They're every one of them. Okay.
But it was right here on the street where the time was.
Yeah. They but they're so compartmentalized. I'm like, no.
You like
open space.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because for entertaining, So I just keep looking. I'm like, maybe I'll find something where I can stay in my house. keep spending money on it. Because as long as I stay in my house, I'm like, oh, I think I'll redo my master bedroom. Oh, I think I need some of this. I think I, you know, and that's the problem. We update my house. Does it like it's gonna be okay? Hopefully, yeah.
Mr. Darren.
Yes, sir.
How are you? How are you?
What's going on?
What's happening, man?
Not what?
How you hanging in there?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Eddie, man, you
You
hanging
as
in there?
well. You as well. You know Lloyd?
Hey, what's happening?
You did the t-shirts and stuff.
Mhm.
Yeah. And the other half of the genius and the duo and whatnot.
Absolutely.
I got you.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Did y'all park in the
That's
garage?
it.
Yeah.
That's in the car.
That's cool.
I get it.
Okay.
Yeah. I pulled in the first parking lot over there. They said, okay, that's $75. I was like, excuse me? He said 75. I said, like 7.
Hello.
5. I said, I'm just going over there to the point. He said, oh no, go on.
How are you?
I'm not buying you
I'm there.
Jazz.
Oh, yeah, we sure did. We sure did. Yep. I get this thing. What was it?
So this is nice.
Every time I come in.
Oh, well, I know what I'm trying to do. I don't even know
Here is tremendous, but they always give us a fixed menu, so I still haven't tried the food I really want to try.
Oh.
I may go out there and order something to take home with me this time.
Hello, I'm Angela.
Hey, I'm Lloyd.
Lloyd, nice to meet you.
And it's my wife, Nikki.
I'm Y. Nice to meet you. And you're?
Gigi.
Gigi. I'm Y. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. How long have you guys been a part of the club?
I've been since day one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I've been since day 5.
Okay.
I'm with him.
Are you with him? Yeah, that's what I say. The whole voters thing, it was all his idea. So
Really?
yeah.
Where's your boat?
It's right over here.
Oh, at James Creek. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a lot of friends over here.
Oh,
Do you
yeah?
know Kim by any chance? Kim Crockett is
do.
over there.
I don't know. Noah,
Karen's
but
over there.
Yeah, Kim has she has the.
Hey, you.
ringer.
She
Yes,
has a ringer.
and Cindy has.
Yeah, Cindy's over there.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I am also with the boaters, Fort Washington Boaters
That's Larry's
Association,
better
so
half.
that's how I know all of them.
Okay. So is your boat in?
My boat is at the National Harbor.
Oh, the National Harbor. Okay, all right. You said it right. Yeah. So, how far have you guys taken your vessel?
Okay.
Down the Palmetto.
Well, I live in Virginia, so I used to run my first boat back and forth.
Okay.
Then I got tired of doing that, so I just left it in the harbor separated. So I just pretty much do the river.
Okay, all right.
Because I like hanging out at the wharf. I like going to Georgetown. Southern Sister. Just all the little hot spots, right?
Yeah.
And where's your boat? The National Harbor. Okay.
Do you have the same time vessel that when you first got here?
No, this is my second one. And listen, when I bought my first one, I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't even know anybody that had one.
Yep.
I bought a 31 footer. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I upgraded to a 40.
Oh, wow.
And now I'm looking at a 50.
Oh, my goodness.
Yep, and it's just pretty cool. But I'm a U.S. Coast Guard licensed captain now. I went ahead and got my captain's license.
Okay.
Yeah, because I need to know what's going on.
Yeah.
I know. That's why I'm like, I need a ferry. Because I don't never want to go home. I need a ferry.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous. I don't know. Y'all feel that way?
I thought that thing said like no parking lot number 75. Like, oh, that's 75. The bar.
Was that a free? Oh, in the water. That's in the
Yeah.
water. Right, yeah.
No, those are alligators.
And we have a small vessel. We have a 28 Regal.
Oh, okay. I have a Regal. Not a Regal too. I have like 40 Regal. I had a Sea Ray the first time.
Okay.
And now Regals are nice. They're a little more luxury in my opinion than this.
And they're not flashy luxury.
No.
Solid state.
Yeah.
Yeah. What type do you guys have?
What's happening?
T-Ray. Okay.
How you doing? How's everything?
Hey,
Ladies,
Lawrence.
how you doing?
How are you?
How you doing? All right, pretty good.
Nice.
Thank you,
Like
thank
the
you.
outfit.
Thank you,
The
thank
way
you.
the shirt just rides down the little socks. It's freaking out. You know, I'm just checking it out. It's kind of fun. I like it.
I tried.
I like it.
Mr. Darren, what's going on, man? How's everything? All right.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
I am.
All right.
I'm just. It's nothing like I
Hey, how's
feel
everything,
in
man?
my life. I just.
How you doing, man?
Yeah.
I know the go. I know the go.
Okay.
I know well.
Okay. Man, I hear you playing, man. Yeah. What's up?
How you doing?
I didn't know that they're like,